Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Find My iPhone grayed out problem on your iPhone. Now the first thing you need to do is to head to your settings right over here. And then there are two things that you need to make sure of. The first one is that you're connected to a stable internet connection. And then the other one is we're going to go ahead to General and then tap on Software Update. And then here we just need to make sure that our iOS is on the latest version. If it isn't, just go ahead and update your software to ensure that you have access to all the recent features of iPhone. Now we're going to head back to General and then scroll down until we see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now from here, we can tap on Reset and then select the option Reset Location and Privacy. After doing that, head back to General and then our main menu for Settings. Now scroll down until you find Screen Time right over here. Now under Screen Time, scroll down until you see Restrictions. Once you've opened Restrictions, go ahead and toggle off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now head back, go back to Settings, and then scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. Now here, it's going to ask you to enter your passcode, so go ahead and do that. But once you've accessed this settings, scroll down until you see Stolen Device Protection. Tap that, and then make sure to toggle off the Stolen Device Protection. After turning the settings off, you should be able to access your Find My iPhone feature and toggle it on or off. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.